Hengxing Traffic Safety Manufacturer with BSCI and ISO 9001 approved is a professional Chinese manufacturer for traffic road safety products since 1996. With strong technical supports and complete quality control system. We are located in the industry area beside Ningbo Airport, only 5 minutes from airport. The 30 years deeply experienced factory have the confidence to ensuring the quality durable and stable for most of our decades cooperators. We have 6 workshops, including injection molding, blow molding, rubber compression, electronic and assembly workshops, retractable cone workshop, etc. Meanwhile, we have warehouse for cartons and outsourcing items and showroom for all products. More than 100 customers visiting our factory every year, and most of them have been cooperated with us over 20 years due to our stable quality and satisfied after-sales service. Up to 5-year warranty exceeds the strict requirement of our customers. Over 200 patents and certificates keep the distinct characters of Hengxing traffic safety warning products, which satisfy our customers' easy-using requirements. HENGXING ODM engineer teams create new safety products year by year. We believe creative mind inspires safety world. Check our website at www.hengxing.biz. YouTube channel of Hengxing Traffic. Give us an online call. We have what you've been waiting for, and we'd like to developing many new products together with you, which can leading the specific market and to contribute our experience on making the world more safety and peacefully.